Society for HIV/AIDS awareness, the official cause of Miss Universe. I work with AIDS for AIDS, the Latino Commission on AIDS, and God Love with the Liver. Being Miss Universe has allowed me to fulfill my lifelong dream to travel the world. Visited numerous countries including Russia, Rwanda, Indonesia, and Brazil. I have many adventures and unique moments which have taught my life. Although my time as Miss Universe is coming to an end, my next journey is just beginning.
Hey, good morning! Good morning!
Miss Venezuela, Miss Universe 2009, Estefania Fernandez.
Hey, good morning, everyone! I know you guys, you're shocked with my new,
Incredible journey over the last year. What has
new
been the most
haircut, but I
memorable moment for you,
don't
Stephanie?
care
I
though.
see my homecoming to my wonderful country, Venezuela. The people was so exciting. I'm very happy.
Stephanie, you look absolutely beautiful. You did a great job. What's next for you?
It's
I think
mine.
next for me, I will get sunrise
It's
and
mine.
spend time with my family and my friends.
I'm gonna teach you on how to drink
Congratulations to you,
this.
Miss Universe organization
Out.
is so proud of all the work that you've done. Thank you so much. Another
I'm gonna teach you on how to drink this out.
Estefania Fernandez.
Okay.
Here's some awesome news for me. Stephanie will be right back and crowned Miss Universe 2010. Which one of our stunning contestants will it be? We'll soon meet the judges. We'll make those decisions.
But as amazing as the women look, no one is born with incredible beauty pageant hair. It takes a lot of work and some help from the right products. So throughout the night tonight, we're going to show you at home how to look and feel like a pageant winner with some secret beauty tips from Farouk Systems, makers of Chi and BioStock. And up first, Jason Yates, the Vice President of Farouk Systems, shows us how to get
My
great
father,
beach hair.
the son,
We're going to create the beach
Holy
look without that nasty salt
Spirit.
water. First, to apply BioSilk Silk Therapy. Next, to
Amen.
start with a horizontal section. We're going to use a brand new product from BioSilk. This is our beach texture.
Char.
Let's begin the Miss Universe 2010 swimsuit competition with Puerto Rico.
Ukraine.
I think. Seriously?
Belgium.
Yun lang siya. sampot ba? Wala pang tulog to, sure na. Wala pa talaga, bayot.
Pero okay na ka itong yellow t-shirt.
Guys, I have something to tell you that you don't know really much about.
Black ka, dili. Kasi.
Bukas sa Blackpink concert. Ah!
Short. Short.
Bukas na ba? Wala akong pakialam. Sorry. Blackpink. Blackpink. Ay, ay, sa t-shirt din ni Nani. Supilan eh. Supilan ba?
Black ka.
Anyway, hello everyone. Good morning, gorgeous Bella. Good morning, Mama.
Kaya nakamawala yung pangalan. Ito lang.
Design. Ano yung pangalan na?
Kaya na yan.
I'm so hungry, you guys. Kaya guys, kasi kaya nabi. Kaya guys, tas kung ano ba, this blight.
Hapit na! Ah! Hapit na!
Universe.
You guys see Bades Blight na no, Universe. Hi, sa Bades Blight from Davao.
But it's blight. Magbulag naman sa uyab. Bitch.
Papil ako ha. Tanaw sa ko deribi. Deris ako. Good morning, Philippines! Sino bang hindi matatakot sa mukhang nito? Sino siya? What the heck? Anyway. Come ate. Tapos. Ngayon. Mama ko na siya. Ngayon, mama ko na siya. Hello. Anyway, if you were to hear the house of Kate, andito lang kayo guys. Showing the, this kind of natural resources are hello! Bago ah. Alam niyo ba guys, kakabalik ko lang dito sa kakabalik ko lang talaga dito sa sa Manila. Tapos ganyan kayo sa akin though. Vinci Code, BFF, my love. Wait, alam niyo ba guys, si Vinci Code she is one of the most iconic queens sa CDO. Yan, si Vinci Code. She is. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being so supportive to me. Hindi ko naman kasalanan na nag-away sila sa loob. Bakit daw nayawa? Sige, I'm gonna teach you on how to TikTok. Wait lang. Hala! Yeah! God! See you. Hindi siya ano talaga. Worth it. No. Imo na ba yan, no?
She enjoys hanging out on the beach.
Okay, I'm going to show you the CR of Among. Kung saan ako nagsi-CR. Actually, guys, this is so very private. But since you've been there and I've been trying to reconcile all of the sudden, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang CR ko dito sa Cagayan, sa Manila. Ito yung CR ko. Ako lang to. Dito yung CR ko kasi iba yung CR nila. Ito lang ako. I have a faucet, which is the Macquarie. This is a faucet. This is a circle. My toothbrush, a toothpaste, and that's mine. Akin yung tatlo. Parang ano lang, if you were to grab the opportunity, so you can take that away from me. But anyway, this is me right now. This is me right now, girl. Tapos, this is the mirror. See, and this is the Kinesis where I've been taking a bath. So you know what I'm saying? Hindi siya ano. Hindi siya ano.